Hello and welcome to GyanMet. I am Ajay Gupta from GyanMet. I am making this series of video for all GyanMetians to start making video on their subject knowledge so that they can help their fellow GyanMetians working in MRO, mentorship and enrolling, to learn and excel in their life. In this part 2, I am going to explain you how to record video after all setup with OBS and how to edit. Now, if you in part 1, I have already explained you how to make video using PowerPoint presentation with OBS, and these were the points which I have already covered in part 1. Those of you who have not seen part 1, please go and see this part 1 first and then come back to see this part 2. Now in this part 2, I am going to explain you how to do the initial setup and how to start recording and stop recording. And also what I have done is I have also added a software name where you can which is a free software where you can put these clips what you have recorded in OBS and edit it and make a whole video package. Now in part 1, I have already explained you that in OBS there is a scene and there is a source. Whatever is seen in the screen, this scene is been recorded by OBS, and you please go and see there. But this part was not very clearly explained, where recording and initial setup, how to do it. So here I am explaining you this. In this video I am going to explain this. Now in this setup, first you have to do the setup. When you record and stop recording video, the video from the OBS will be saved somewhere in your PC. So if you define some folder and tell OBS that all the videos should be saved in that folder, that OBS will keep sending all videos which has been recorded by OBS in that folder. So that setting I will explain you. And this is where you have to do what this is a setting what you have to do in the OBS. I will explain you live on this on OBS also. If you when you click the setup setting, it goes here in the display. You have to choose the folder where you want to save the videos from the OBS. And now to start the recording, this is very simple in OBS. There's a tab here, start recording. When you click the start recording, it start recording, and in OBS shows that there's a recording being started there. And when you stop recording, then it is automatically saved in the folder what we have done the setup. Now this is very also important part of when you record, lot small clips are there, so you have to add them to make a whole video. So what you say, when you teach somebody, you learn more. So this is what I experienced this. I thought when I was making this video, I have that intention that I should be able to explain to all GyanMetian the easiest and very cost-effective way of recording videos of good quality. So whatever resources they should be using it without spending any penny from their pocket. So I myself am using a paid version of video editing, but I don't want to do that because to start with, first you should be convinced that no, we should share knowledge without spending money. So in past one week I was searching for such software, and I could locate it. So that intention brought me to this location. Now there is a software which is available, Movie Maker Online. This software is a cloud-based. You do not have to download anything, and you can. There's no. Very important is there's no watermark also. But only limitation is that you can create a video of 10 minutes. So that's fair enough. But if you have a video of more than 10 minutes, what you can do is you can create this such 10 minutes and send me. I will join them and I will publish them on YouTube. Okay. But please start doing with this video. Now you will be able to make a complete package of videos of your knowledge and start sharing it. lastly, as I always prefer is not just coming and saying, I will take you to OBS and explain you all this. Also, I will what I will do is I will take you to the software, editing software also, and show you that software. I will give that link of the software in the description also, and I will practically make few clips and edit and show you how to edit it, so that you can do it yourself. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, now we are on the OBS screen, the front end screen. Now, as explained to you, this is a scene which has been created, which has been recorded by OBS, and these are the scenes and these are the sources what we had. You have to go and see the first parts to understand more about it. Now, when you record something in OBS, then where it is saved is something which you should be what you can do is you can create a folder. So what you can do is you can ask OBS to save your all recording there. So here you go for setting, click on setting, and you will see video output. In the output you see here, this is recording. Now I have already created a folder called OBS video records. What I can do is you can browse here and see I have already created a folder here and I have selected that folder. So whatever video I am creating on OBS, whatever I am recording on OBS, it is been saved there. As simple as this. This is only setting you have to do in OBS, so that whatever video you are recording, it gets saved there. Okay, so you're through with it. Now recording is very simple. I've already explained how you can set the PPT on the OBS scene. For part 1 you have to go and see the part 1, but once that has been set, now see I will just shorten this and I will show you the video which I was recording. So this is this is what I am recording. So I have already set, and these are the PPTs which I have been sharing with you. Now when you want to record, just start recording. So the recording starts. Now I have not set the camera here, so it's not showing here, but now the recording is being started and it is displayed here. See, now the recording is being started. Now if you stop this, then the recording would be saved in the same folder. I will show you that folder also. See, this is the folder, right? So it has been recorded, it has been seen here. Let me again go to OBS, right? So recording, we are through with recording also. Now what I will do is, so you have understood that you are able to point OBS to the folder where all videos has to be saved, and I have also explained you how to start and stop the recording. Once recording is stopped, the recording automatically goes and saved into that folder what you have, which you have pointed to OBS, told OBS to save all the videos, and then you can take those clips and compile them in a video editor as a package and publish in YouTube in GANMate. You send me and I will publish in GANMate. Okay. Hello and welcome to GANMate. I'm making a small clip to show you how I can edit. So this is the point I will click it, edit. So I'm creating this problem in initial video. Now for those of you who don't know what GANMate is, I will see GANMate is we are trying to build a confederation of maintenance engineers who can work together for upliftment of all GANMatians working in MRO. So if you are a maintenance engineer, please join this tribe. Okay, so let's quickly learn how to do, small editing. Uh, this is a fair enough to smartly trim your videos and make them as a complete package. This is movie online maker. This is a video maker which is cloud based, and you do not have to do anything. You have to just upload. I will delete these videos again. I will do and show you. So what you have to do is now just few things. You cannot make video more than 10 minutes, and there is no watermark, which is very important. So our brand is GANMate, so no watermark has to be there. So this is very ideal with software for creating a 10 minutes video. If your video is larger, then you can make 10 minutes video and send me. I will join them and I will publish them in GANMate. Okay. Now let me explain you those two clips what we have created. What we'll do is what you have to do is just add these files. These are the two clips. Okay. Now my clips are very small, so they are uploading very fast, but this is cloud based, so it will take some time. If your clips are bigger, so you have to be patient on this. See now, if you see this video, now what you have to do is the first video. If you click here, you can play the video.
Hello and welcome to GANMate.
So now you can.
I'm making a small clip to show you how I can edit. So this is the point I will make it edit.
Let me close this. Okay. Now what you can do is you have to edit it. Then what you can do is and now you can play and see what point you want to edit.
Hello and welcome to GANMate. I'm making a small clip.
I want to edit
show you how I can edit.
So what I can do is just stop it and drag this to that point and again play.
Hello and welcome to GANMate.
So that's okay. So save this. Okay. Now we'll go to second video. Just play this video.
So I'm
what you can again edit here. Now what you can do is again play and see. See, these are the things which I have to remove.
So I'm creating this problem in initial video. Now for those of you I start from here, so I have to just drag this and just do some trial and error method. For those of you who don't know what GANMate is,
so just save it. So this will remove those two parts, and your video will be almost clip will be almost ready. Now once that is done, make video. Confirm it that you are not robot. Obviously you do not have to be robot. And now the video will be ready. See, now it's ready. If you watch it, you can watch.
hello and welcome to GANMate. For those of you who don't know what GANMate is,
Both the slips have gone.
I will.
Now if you
So
want to
GANMate
download,
is we are trying to build a configuration of Windows Engine.
just click download and the file will get downloaded in your download folder. So it's done.
Hello and welcome to GANMate. For those of you who
Right, so it's very simple. A small bit of practice will help you to do editing. 10 minutes is fair enough time to share your knowledge. So make small videos and start sharing with us. Hello and welcome to GANMate. For those of you who don't know what GANMate is, I will see. GANMate is we are trying to build a confederation of maintenance engineer who can work together for upliftment of all Ganmetians working in MRO. So if you're a maintenance engineer, please join this drive. So with this we have concluded the second part of video making. Now you must be having if you have seen both the part 1 and part 2, you must be having a fair knowledge of creating a good video. Now I request all of you who are working in MRO to please ask your fellow member who are working in MRO to join this drive revolution called GANMET and start contributing so that our fellow engineers working in MRO can learn, grow, and excel their life. Okay, so see you next time. Thank you. All the best.